So welcome back to Mumford Restoration, and we're showing you some of the things that come into the shop. And today we have a grand piano lid. But before we talk about what we're going to do to repair that, please visit our site, mumfordrestoration.com, or our YouTube channel, and watch the videos and let us know what we can restore for you. Today we're focused on this lid and a repair that happened in moving. And this is a moving claim. So you see we have a high gloss polyester. And this is a very unique finish that most pianos are finished in. And if you can see close enough, this is the corner of the small part of the lid that is damaged and broken. And so I'm going to be trying to show how that repair is made. But I don't want to tell you all my secrets. We just want to show you the before and the after. So here I have my kit. And I'm going to mix the catalyst with the black polyester, and I'm going to build a dam that holds the finish, and it's going to be poured. And when that's poured on, it's a larger size than what it's supposed to be, and then we sand it down to that shape and then polish the heck out of it until it's back to shine. So we are now at stage 2 of the grand piano lid that is made in polyester. And what we've done is we've scratched and sanded all of the voids where the black has chipped off, and you can see that we have now made what we call a tape dam to hold the material as we pour. So I'm going to do the pouring next so that you can see how does it overfill, and then we try to bring it down to the correct shape. So in the process now, we have done what we call the pouring, where we filled it in larger than what we needed, and now we've been sanding it. So believe it or not, we start with 100 grit sandpaper to sand and get the shape. And then we go to 150, and then we go to 220, and then we go to 320, and now I'm up to 800. Now 800 grit sandpaper is getting close to the way that we can make the shape, and then we can make the shine come back. So basically we're trading scratches from 100 grit all the way up to 1500 grit. And at 1500 grit we can use a machine polisher to polish out this corner. So watch for the next step. We now have it shaped, and we have one little spot there, and we're trying to polish it out. So you can see, using the buffer, we're brightening the sheen, and then we're seeing where there's an imperfection that we need to sand a little bit more. So let me demonstrate by using the back of this lid. You see how it's very coarsely sanded here. I'm going to show you how we are machine buffing until that corner shines up. And we go through number 1, number 2, and number 3 to get that totally shiny. Thanks for watching.